Another what do you want for Christmas problem, okay? Let's write 12 with 5 x's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have 20 with 2 x's. Now, before I write down the other ones, when we're going to group these, what do these have in common? Well, 2 goes into 20 and 12, but 4 goes into 12 and 20 also. So I'm going to use a 4, and then I have a couple of x's here. 4x squared is what they're going to have in common, okay? So remember that, 4x squared for these two. Now let's do this one. You have 24 with 3 x's, and then you have 40, all right? So what do we say, 4x squared for those two? 4x squared. And what does that leave me? 3. If 2 of the x's comes out, that leaves me 3 of them. I'm saying 4 goes into 12 3 times, and then if 2 of the x's come out of the 5, we're left with 3. So I'm going to have 3 with 3 x's here. Notice 4 times 3 is what? And I still have my 5 x's here, don't I? Okay. Now 4 times 5 is 20, and we took out the 2 x's. Okay. All right. So we're going to have a Christmas present here. We're going to write what? This again. Here's my present. Okay. This problem is designed so the minute you write this here, you get a Christmas present because you can write it again. And 8 times 3 is 24, isn't it? So factor a negative 8 out. So the two negatives change. That makes these both pluses. Okay. Notice negative 8 times 5 is minus 40. Okay. Now my Christmas present was what? This, wasn't it? So once you factor the 8 out of there, write your Christmas present out front. Okay. I write that as 3x cubed. Huh? All right. And then what's left? I have 4 with a couple of x's. That's 4x squared. And then my minus 8. Notice we're not finished here. We have a 2 in common on both of these, don't we? Huh? We have a 2 in common. So I'm going to factor a 2 out, but you know, bigger than 2, what do they have in common? A 4, don't they? I put the 4 here, but I think I'll just put the 4 way over here. We factor a 4 out of these two, and the 4 comes out. That leaves me x squared, and 4 times 2 is 8. Copy down the negative, okay? So you are not finished right here, okay? Really, you could have factored a 4 out beginning, and it'd been an easier problem, okay? So anyway, whether you do it here or down here, you've got to factor that 4 out to get the finished product, finished factored form, okay?